Hey all, very good morning. Hope everybody can listen to me. And let's give a couple of minutes to everybody to join. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Rakesh, Anup, Melvin, Nagaraji, Manu, Kailash. Okay, good morning, good morning. So let everybody come and join. Please type um, if you can see my screen clear, this Nifty 50 chart clear. Can you please type great in the comment box? If my voice is clear, if my audio is audible, and you can look at my screen, can you please type great in the comment box? So it's a back testing. So just checking out so we don't miss it out anything. Great, 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 great. Oh, so many greats. Thank you so much. I think everybody's active today without fail. Yeah, beautiful. So let's give a couple of minutes for everybody to settle down. So once everybody is settled down, we will make it happen. We'll start off quick. We'll give a couple of minutes. 9 o'clock sharp, I'm going to start the session. So please check your internet connections. Please check your things beside whatever things, what you want and what you want to hold, everything. So please keep in mind. So hope pressures, I don't think anybody pressure today. If there is any pressures to this, I request you, please don't forget one thing. So the rules and regulations, I'm going to explain it again at 9 o'clock. So without fail. Yeah, great. So a couple of minutes. So any questions you have, you can type me in the Q&A box now. Till 9:10, I'm going to answer it. Post 9:10, I'll not be able to answer it. Number one. So please keep your systems ready completely. Yesterday, I believe everybody traded in Bank Nifty very good on this. So one more minute. Yeah, 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. So somebody is texting me in the WhatsApp, Telegram, not able to connect. So please check your connections. So great. So let's very importantly, why I told pre-market sessions we're going to start off because today is very important. Uh, So I was expecting a gap up also today on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let pre-market session complete. Till then, we'll not discuss about this. Excuse me, extremely sorry. So very importantly, let me open. Very importantly, some charts. Very importantly, I want to discuss some charts after Nifty and Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty and Nifty already have seen the charts and things. We'll see about HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank, it's in a major support range. So this very major tricky support zone in the longer time frames. So you can see this is a very important support zone for HDFC Bank. So if you see in more longer time frames, it's a doji in daily, and also it's near this. So exactly on this rejection point. So from here, it's getting rejected. I'm expecting HDFC Bank at least to turn back from here, at least 5% upside, and even more also. Like example, from here, almost like 100 points, in the sense 100 and, like 80 points at least. So up to till here, 1358, 1358 to for like 1400 plus plus. So these ranges can be acquired over there. So please take care about this. So stop loss will be the current low. So the current low will be almost 30 points. So please take care about your positions. So we'll see that in live market, how the flow will come, how there is going to be like buyers in the markets. So then we'll go to execute the trades. So you want to prepare the markets when VIX are too high, volatile. So you want to understand the situation of the markets pretty well and then go ahead. Okay. So coming to HDFC Bank, I've explained HDFC Bank. Bank Nifty yesterday itself had given ranges. Uh, exactly. So ICICI, I don't see. I'm not good at that. So many of them asked me about charts yesterday on you don't trade on equities or not. So equities you can trade for swing trade. So but on intraday basis, it's little tug. So with trades, always you know very well that we are good at Bank Nifty and Nifty. So don't worry. Yeah. So please, while shorting the markets, please know very well and trade. So don't trade aggressively or against the market. So these areas are all bounce back areas. See in daily charts, you can see the systems. This area is very good. This area is very great. So hope you are understanding the points what I'm telling. So this is master technical trend lines. So don't take it very light. It's very beautiful areas. When we get rejections from this area, even Axis Bank can reject upside. Yeah, it depends. Okay, so this is the breakout point. If it breaks, then we'll see back very big, like 545 ranges. Also, we can see if we didn't sustain this area, completely breakout for 1 days, at least on daily basis, or 2 days, it should close around this range. Okay, so this is the banking sector because we deal with Bank Nifty. That's the reason I'm explaining banking charts. So based on banking charts, how we deal with this. So exactly yesterday also I told this is a very important area before market open. So as you saw what happened yesterday, technical glitch also happened with NSE. Otherwise, we'll have done really great yesterday because we can't do shuffle the markets without the clear stance up. Okay, so 2 more minutes to go. I'll tell the Bank Nifty also the levels and stages. So please keep in mind this is a very important rejection point. 33,600 ranges is very very important range. 33,500 600 ranges, very important range. Okay, so from here it has came down again. I told you, I posted on Telegram, very clearly told this is the Fibonacci range. This was my target. So I finished these targets and I told very clearly. So I'm not going to start more than this because I know they want to retrace come back from here because all my Fibonacci is advanced Fibonacci levels. These are not just Fibonacci, these are advanced Fibonacci levels. So from here almost you saw how many points recovery. So you got a great recovery. Let's say from here itself, not too much, at least like 500 points odd. So it was a great recovery. It was a good one. So hope you understand. So all the things work when market is uncontrolled. So nobody can help. So open markets, again, I'm telling you, please, please read the description very carefully on Telegram also on this also. So only if you are experienced very well, then enter the trades. If you are not experienced, don't do it, because learn it. It takes a couple of days to learn, but definitely you can do it. That's not a big deal. Never trade without a stop loss. Don't put all your capital inside at one time. Give me a sec. So use your 20 to 30% of the capital to trade. Never trade with full capital. This is my personal suggestion. Okay. And also profit booking, have told you 1:1, 1:2. It depends upon market condition. If you're getting 1:2x, first book your profit 60-70% because market is volatile. So premium melting game will happen post 10:30 and 10:15 now. So and just trail your stop loss and run, and keep your goals as every day. Trailing stop loss is going to give you a lot of money. Okay. So now telling about the ranges today. So Bank Nifty, we'll see the pre-markets. So I'll give you a clarity range. So it will be more helpful for you guys to trade. I think they want to tell me the pre-market sessions, little delayed or what. So 30 seconds more. So we are gapping down again today also. So again, it's a problem for them itself, not for us. So let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, Nifty and Bank Nifty both, sir. Nifty and Bank Nifty both I'm going to give the levels. Options also I'll give you the levels. Don't worry. I'll do my best to give the levels on options. So Bank Nifty is opening at 32,530. So almost like but let's see futures where they're going to open. So almost like 340, 350 points. So that's why I told very clear which I have given you. Hold hedge and trend BTST because everybody knows global cues, what is the situation. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both, we are bacha. So let's see, pre-market has happened. So 1% down in Bank Nifty. So it's opening somewhere over here. Give me a sec. Keep one thing in mind. Please listen to me very cautiously now. What I'm telling. The first 30 minutes, right? Keep in the mind now what I'm telling you now very clearly. The first 30 minutes, what is going to happen in the market today? The complete against it can happen the next 30 minutes. Remember today, the date also. Please note it down what I'm telling you. So be very cautious. The first 30 minutes, whatever is happening is very important. Okay. And the next 30 minutes, complete against what you saw can happen completely. So that will be the operator's game. So that can happen. There is a 70 to 80% chance that can happen. If they don't do it, if the against didn't happen, if the reversal don't happen for after 9:45 to 10:15, if you don't see any reversals, example, this candle can completely go green, like in first 30 minutes. So or red. The next 30 minutes it should reverse. Like if it becomes red, it should become green, it should become green, it should become red. So anything against it, if it didn't happen, remember that the same direction, whatever the closing can happen, the same direction market will travel for the next whole day, at least for first half of the market, complete like first half of the market till 1 o'clock. So don't worry. So that will be the trend of the day. So number one thing. So yesterday's low is very important for Nifty. So if low is broken, if taken out, only then we'll take a fresh short positions. Only then we'll take a fresh short positions towards downside. Okay. So downside ranges are a little big. So obviously everybody knows that, but have some patience in open markets. So upper ranges I have told you 16,000 is the ranges. So this is a very small range to have, today we have. The bottom range already I have told you again, so I don't need to repeat it. Number one. So Bank Nifty, coming to Bank Nifty, same things. Can you see the technically? Yeah, I know. So this can happen. See here, from here we have a rejection. We have come till here. Fibonacci is very strong. This is a very important area. If we break this, if we break yesterday's low completely, so only then we can short go towards 32,255, 225, and next will be 32,094 ranges. So this is going to be the very tricky points, very important ranges. Okay. So keep everything in mind and trade. So we'll see and work on it. Exactly. So, uh, yeah, HDFC Bank is opening at negative 1302. Give me a sec. I'll check HDFC Bank chart also. If we get an opportunity there, definitely we'll buy that also. HDFC Bank future levels I'm going to give you. So you can please have an idea on trading on future levels. Little bit negatively, it's opening completely below yesterday's low, like area low, near area low, I can say. So we'll see if the low is not taken out. Then in HDFC, then we'll see. Otherwise, no trade zone till then. So we're opening somewhere over here. You can see here. So this is the status of the markets. Yeah, there may be short build-ups, XYZ, anything. Uh, HDFC Bank futures, give me a sec. I'll take the data and come back. So 2 lakhs only negative delta. It's not very great because at last moment they had a short covering from 4 lakhs to 2 lakhs. So be cautious. Anything below yesterday's low, you can short it for this. Anything below yesterday's low only, you can short for this targets. Okay. So how much you're going to get? But also I'm going to tell you. Yeah. Uh, it's just small guys, 12 points. So below this again, we want to break out and then only we can tank. So till it is broken yesterday's low, don't short sell. So please be cautious. Yeah. So multiple scripts I have given you. So trade on that. If trading on options, very cautiously trade today. So I'll be checking out on live markets what's going to happen. I'm going to update you. Only trade on ITMs. Yeah, premium wants to rise up. That's the reason. 30 seconds to go. If you 32,500 CE on market, what price we can get? If it's affordable, then only we'll have the game. Huh. 386 free low and 32,500 call. Nifty is not breaking these areas, bottom areas. So Nifty is pulling back up. So BTST players have some patience. Specifically in Nifty, Bank Nifty also. So I told you very clearly, don't short it. in open markets. Okay, so great. Data is coming up. Datas are coming up. Because it's a wait and watch game very clearly in this condition of the market conditions very clearly. So we'll wait for a couple of minutes more. Nifty is strong. We'll go for only ITMs today on trading. No OTMs tradings and all. 15,700 call trading at 285. The stop loss will be like almost 10 to 12 points maximum. I'm just waiting because I want more positive data to come in. So anybody buying, the risk is with 10 to 12 points risk. Anybody bought, will be 10 to 12 points risk. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. There is no clear data. That's the reason I'm telling you. So, but I'm messing with the market. It's better go with a better trend. That is very important today. Very important. Yeah. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. No volumes, guys. No volumes. Delta is 5K negative. Wow. This is surprising. Above this only we'll buy today. Above this only we're going to buy. Right? Specifically on futures. Have volume like 1,80,000 data. Only above this we are going to buy it. Otherwise, no. We're going to wait for it. 500 piece. Yeah. Bank Nifty is dragging down. Nifty is holding up. So Bank Nifty is the culprit. Can happen like that. But I don't want to say anything now. 40K, it's negative delta is there. Bank Nifty 32,500 puts, trading at 640 plus plus. But remember, I want to follow through. I'm waiting for the follow. We want to sell below this, the day's low. Till then, we are going to enter. We don't want to enter because I'm against it today. Against the winds, against the odds today. Have some patience. HDFC Bank. Great. So if you're done with the trades, anything over there? So keep in mind, HDFC Bank has broken yesterday's low, but it's not sustaining. It's near Fibonacci area. Very strong. So HDFC Bank is going to make more wild move, I guess. We don't know how many things, how much it's going to come down. So Nifty is holding the markets. That's it today. But till yesterday's low is taken out, don't go anything negative on the market side. Yeah, this yesterday's technical students, I don't have any issues. But fresh players, I'm telling you, without knowing the depth, don't enter the ocean. That is my specific. So below yesterday's low, it has traveled only few points down, 10, 12 points. Sorry, 4, 5 points. Again, HDFC Bank has no sell volumes. There is no sellers. It's a trap. They are trapping everyone. Every single one HDFC Bank they're trapping. There is no volumes. Just 50K negative delta. It's not going to happen. It's a trap. They will trap everyone today. I think so. So let me do one thing. I will enter the trade of calls. Little expensive, but ITMs only we want to trade. But let me see what price I'm going to get now. 32,500 calls, trading at 675. 685 plus plus 690, 694, 695, 698. Anybody bought with me in markets? Just trailer stop loss, book some slabs, 707. Just trailer stop loss, 708, 710. So book 70%. Will scalp out because the market is looking sideways. If you bought, book 70%. Trust trailer stop loss, 5 to 10 point stop loss. That's it, maximum. So anybody missed out to buy, anybody's rebought at the range again at 685 ranges. I'm telling you, don't take more than 10 to 15 point stop loss. Market is volatile. I repeat it, don't take extra stop loss. 10 to 15 points maximum stop loss. 710 plus plus, 715 plus plus, 725, 730. We'll book some 70% odd here. Rest trailer stop loss cost plus 20 points quickly. It was a little quick trade. So in sideways markets or situations like this in the markets, you want to be a pro. Yeah, you want to be a pro in the markets. So if you don't get a chance, that don't bother about it. Just trail your stop loss on that. I request you, you should book your profits. 745, 750 it has traded. So you should book your profits, I think so, maximum. So trail your stop loss maximum to cost or plus 20 points. So don't give any money to markets. So whatever happens, please keep in mind, don't go against the markets. So we'll see at 32,500 puts. Keep an eye. Keep an eye. We'll see uh, what best price we can get it. HDFC Bank again, it has taken a very big support on the historical trend line, and again it's bouncing back from that area. They're not breaking it. So near to Fibonacci area, they have bounced back. So that is very important. So stop loss is there. Don't take much. HDFC Bank can bounce back to again to 300 and 14, 15, 3,305 it's trading. But stop loss are there. Risk is there. Give me a second. Um, Uh, for trailing stop losses, I'm telling you again, 30 to 500 calls. Please trail your stop loss cost to cost or 20 points, cost plus at least 20 points. Minimum 20 points trailing stop loss are required over there. So just trail your stop loss and run. If you're holding even 20% volumes, I'm happy for that. But trail your stop loss. Learn this art. Trail your stop loss and run. Cost plus 20 points at least. Nifty is the must current today. Nifty, as I told you, it's a must current. So if trailing stop loss it, don't again come and trade. Okay. So give me a sec, give me a sec, give me a sec. 30 to 500 puts. The support is 500 rupees only. Above that is 636 on them. So messing up with that, it's not so good, I think so. So 500 is very strong support for it on puts. I don't know how they make the low and the open swings. Sec. So if trailing stop loss it in calls, just don't re-enter the trade. I think trailing stop loss is trade for everyone. So volatile markets, guys, volatile markets. So also it's a sideways markets. It's not that one-sided markets. It's very sideways. Yep. It'll be very volatile for next few 15, 20 minutes odd. So it was a quick trade on calls. It is not a bad trade. Again, it's coming to 670 ranges, 675 ranges. Just melting premiums. Melting premiums. Book 12K, book 14K, book 14,500. Okay, great. Book to 14,500. So book 6,000. Okay, great. No issues. Great. Yeah, sometimes it'll be some quick trades. So you want to be that quick in the markets, open markets. So 30 minutes, I want market to stay up. So let's see what's going to happen. They can come from here to here or here. Let's see. Nifty is supported completely. So it'll be volatile session. So they want to melt the premiums. The total premium to melt for the expiry is still more than 900 points. That is the problem. Very big problem. Election results are there on Thursday. So please be cautious on your trades. How we are going to deal with this? Okay, great. I'll tell you. Uh, yeah, there is very thick volume, sorry, thin volume in the markets. There is no aggressive seller in the market. Nifty Delta is positive, and obviously we need a follow through and markets to sustainable 15,850 itself to have a great day today. So complete sideways markets, guys. Complete sideways market. So coming up with this now, one more trade I'm going to take on. I'll tell you, give me a sec. Yeah. Banking sector is negative. So I was expecting Nifty, sorry, HDFC Bank to support markets. Unfortunately, yeah, it happens. Nothing to worry. We have not taken any trades in that specifically on buy angle, positionally. So even taken, it's a hedge trade, so nothing to worry much. So keeping this in mind, give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Uh, we can enter the trade once more on 32,500 calls only for a quick scalp. It may be even 100 points also upside. So the risk is going to be 15, 20 points. So reward should be at least 1 is 2x. So reduce your volumes this time and trade. Yeah, position sizing, reduce your positions. Always you get 30, 40 points now. So please try to book the profits over there fast because sideways market entering this year, it's very clear stanza. 708 plus 710, 714, 715. I'm going to book 715 my profits now. 70% done. 720 high. 717 still it's trading. So 70% profits as booked. Rest of the volumes have trailed my stop loss. So I've taken my stop loss, toffee stop loss here. So 10 point stop loss. Uh, the target's a little big for me this time. It's going to be like 800 to 880 ranges. So little big targets on calls. So stop loss is there. So there is no hurdles in that. So no change in the game. Yeah, again, I'm telling you, there is no change in the game and there is no change in the stop losses. Very clearly, I'm telling you. I'm telling you very clearly on this. Again, they may travel in the same range also for few hours. I don't know. But morning profits, please keep on booking. So trail your stop loss and run cost to cost also, or even 10 points maximum. So scalping is only helping out today. There is no pro trades. How? Don't tell me that tomorrow, that He gave me 1,000 points, he gave me 2,000 points. So this is a live trade. Have some common sense and what is the market situation. So here you're making money out of it, and we are making money, practical money with the minimum stop losses, right? So trail your stop losses and run. If trailing stop loss it, wait, don't trade. That's it. Wait for the opportunity. That's it. If you keep into cost also, I don't worry about it. Bought at 75, 80, 85 ranges. I'm not worried. But profit booking is very important. No greed today. Especially when market is in sideways, guys. See here. Nifty is only one person who is supporting, I think so. So it's also getting negative. Datas are still positive. So Nifty. So till Nifty breaks out, we have to stay up. So premium melting is happening very quickly. Yeah, I have told you the stop loss also. See this Fibonacci area, yesterday's area. Very beautiful area, right? It's very beautiful area. It's a master of Fibonacci. It's an upgraded Fibonacci. It's advanced Fibonacci. So let's see what's going to happen. So don't overtrade. Number one, don't buy huge volumes and trade, specifically in this situation of the markets, specifically in this condition of the market. Okay. So no fresh buyings. So we need to wait. I can put 100 indicators in front of you, but what's the use? Is it going to help you down to make money? No chance. So we need to have patience here. So I've taken 20 points risk in calls. Can I hold it? Sir, I can't. So that's the reason I've told you in pre-market session itself. Please don't give comments over here because I'm not able to look at. Guys, God has given me two eyes. I may be having multiple systems, but I can't able to like understand situation. Please understand my situations also on my side. So 230 is very strong for 32,500 puts. Yes, sir, exactly. Very strong. Yeah, very strong. Yeah, 230 is very strong in puts, 32,500 puts. This time, if we get a breakout about that, we can have a plan for a buy. But let it give 10 points extra also. Let it go 10 points above also will buy. But confirmation is required. Completely sideways games when it's happening. Very dark. Very, very dark. So no mistakes should happen here. That is my yeah. Right. Why do you want to enter 100 trades? Right. So two times we are scalped, to three times we scalped in the same calls, we made money. It's enough. I feel it's good. Five more minutes to go. End up. I'm just waiting for this 5 minutes to complete. Just waiting, 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 waiting. There are some buyers in markets in calls, I think so, or they're booking their profits on short selling, short winding. I don't know. So 5 minutes, have some patience. So 32,500 puts, it's trading above 640, 645. 20, 25 points. It can make it. That's it. So anybody buying here, I'm telling you, it's 20 points risk. For the next one, 1:1 risk and reward ratios there. 1:2x maximum. So one more minute. I want to trade here. It'll be a mistake if they do it. So if you're taking a trade on puts, keep in mind 1:1, 1:2, like that only it will be the trade. The premiums are melting it out. So anybody bought it? Fixing limit orders about 640, 660 plus 670, 673. We'll book out 70%. Hold the rest with trailing stop loss. That's going to be the good game. Or cost to cost, you can trail your stop loss and run. That's it. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. That is very important now. There is no huge volume in selling. I repeat it, there is no big selling happening in the market. There is no big selling. Keep in the mind. I told you market should reverse anytime. So be cautious here. So I will do a tricky game here. Uh, who wants to take risk can take this trade. Otherwise, no. Number one, based on the Fibonacci rejection, I'm going to take a trade on futures. Options premiums are melting. So little tough for me to decide the directions. So, but still, I'll be taking a trade on calls also, accumulating 32,500 only. So, expecting it's completely the reverse from here. They want to go back to here. So, let's see, couple of minutes more. So, waiting for some cheaper price. 100 points risk for 300 to 400 points reward only we can trade on this trade. So, taken futures 32,584 is average. So futures, anybody bought, keep in mind 100 points risk for minimum 300. 1:2x, 1:3x risk and reward ratio. 620 plus. So calls also 32,500 calls. Anybody is taking risk based on the futures. So keep in mind there is a risk, there is a good risk, and also there is a good reward. So options premiums are melting. So futures, obviously we have the risk and reward in front of us. No change in the game. Exactly. Nifty is going beautiful, guys. Nifty is beautiful, but less points. But Nifty is very good in support. So I don't know who's going to come to rescue, but as I told you, the next 30 minutes the reversal should happen. So that is based on the strategy. So let's see if it failures. I'm double happy to the stop losses or the failures because we are going to get 5x money. Damn sure. So keep that in mind. So 635 it went up and coming down. Not so great. 50 points up and coming down. Let's see what's going to happen. Have some patience. 635 plus 628. Why it's not moving? Indian market is very big scam market has become nowadays. 645 plus 650 plus. So 32,500 calls. If you have accumulated at 650 ranges, it's 680 it's trading. So 30 points. Book your profits, scalp because the premiums are melting. So that is my concern. So please be double cautious today, specifically today. I'm telling you. So 720 ranges, if it reaches in futures, then it's going to be double good for us. We'll see, guys. We'll see. We'll have some patience game. Nothing to worry. Anybody's capped out 60, 70 points. I'm not worried. It's all about what you want. It's all about your mindset. How much you want, how much is your risk, what's your reward. So always when you trade 1 is to 2x reward. So sometimes when you face losses, you can bear that 1x losses. Always trade for 1 is to 2x at least. So then you can make a lot of money at least. In this skeptical markets or sideways market, yeah, 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2 minimum. At least 1 is to 1 if you don't getting, why do you want to take a trade? First of all, don't take a trade. Yeah, almost 1 is to 1x, it's fine, no issues. Again made 30 points, I'm done for the day. Okay, so if you're done for the day, you can leave. I'm not holding anyone here. Six 55, 657. They're moving. Very sluggish, very sluggish. Too much premium melting is going on. Option traders, please take care about your trades, specifically option traders. Yeah, please initiate your, keep your stop loss and trade. That is one personal golden suggestion I can give you. Uh, it's not moving towards our favorable things. So keep your stop loss on trade now. So reduce your stop losses if you want. Exactly. Exactly. There is no change in the game. I will take the trailing stop loss. Yeah, you can put your things. So options, if you're scalped out, I'm telling you, the rest of the volumes you want to put your stop loss on trade. Don't trade without the stop loss. Don't exceed your stop losses in options in a sec. It can melt 100 to 200 points. So because you're buying high premiums, That's the one reason. So anybody rebuying at dips 655 ranges at 32,500 calls, I'm telling you, every 20-25 points, keep on booking your 70% profits. Rest hold the trailing stop loss. That thing, if you do consistently, so even one time if you stop loss it, you will be safe. You will not lose any money. Yeah. So in this situation of market conditions, we'll reduce our losses, stop losses if we want. There are buyers. There are buyers. Oh my God. There is huge buying coming in. There is huge buying happening in Bank Nifty. Huge. Ah, 22,665 plus plus. So 32,500 calls, 685 back to. So I think I'm going to hit my targets today. If they break 750 odd like that consistently. So 32,680 plus plus, almost 1 is to 1x. So profit booking is a job. So if you want example like 4 lots, book 3 lots or 2 lots. Yeah, I suggest you go with booking 3 lots and hold 1 lot, trailing your stop loss. So you're not going to lose money. Let's see. Patience is the only key, guys. When it's sideways market, you can't go against the market. That is one thumb rule I'm going to tell you. Very big thumb rule. You have some very good patience today. So patience can buy you a lot of money today. Yeah, yeah. Now it's time. Now it's a real time. What market should do. So let's see. Nothing to worry much. Just a cool. So I'm expecting now uh, 32,500 calls at least to give like 100 points based on the theory. So let's see what's going to happen. And check the time. It's 9:55. But stop losses same. So accumulation pace was the same, 655 ranges. So anybody has bought holding rest of the volumes, keep your stop loss or trail your stop loss, take the risk, whatever you need, just trail your stop loss and run. In a week also it can happen. So keep in mind and trade. So keep your stop losses first. So fix your risk first. So reward is always in front of you. So don't need to think too much about reward. Reward is already fixed. Reward is open. Like top is open. Completely open. It can go completely. It can fill this gap. It can go up above this. Anything can happen today. Even 34,500. I don't mind. I don't mind at all. But my goal, first target, second targets, third targets, I should keep on consistently building it. Okay, 32,685 back to futures. Who have not booked it, please keep in mind. I believe you are not going to make mistakes. So let's see before 10:30 we can close the dukan or not. So have some patience. So rest of the volumes, we don't have either options. We just have one options. Okay. Keep in mind and trade, guys. Keep in mind and trade. Don't go against the markets. And specifically option traders, keep in mind. There is only one big reason is option premium is very high. They will melt in just few seconds. That is the problem. Okay. So keep your stop loss on trade for rest of your volumes. Let's see. Complete sideways, guys. Complete sideways. Only in this market, I believe that nobody can give you so assurance in the sideways market. There are timings properly based on GAN theories, how market should go up or TTR. So TTR is self-invented strategy. So it is completely based on TTR reversal. So not every day the same thing will happen. Everybody knows that. Every minute changes. So every day market changes. So remember that. Sometimes at 12 o'clock, sometimes at 3 p.m., sometimes somewhere at 2:45. So something will happen at different time zones. So TTR strategy is the mother of all strategies. So it's operators, one of the part of operator secret strategy. So follow through, I'm not getting here. So little tuck sideways only. So can't help it out. Hmm. Okay. 32,693 high. Wow. Hmm. 32,784 to 32,814. See what's going to happen. Boring market, I know. So trail your stop loss and run, guys. Even in futures, it's very boring market. Like no momentum, no momentum. At least one candle, I'm expecting this. Making this 90 points itself was a great deal actually for me, like 100 points. They want us to lose the patience, I think so. But I don't know what time they are going to spike up. 32,770, 80, if it reaches, we'll make 200 points or 1 is to 2x. So I'm waiting for that to happen. Spike. They are making us to lose patience. That's it. So 10:30, before 10:30, if it happens, fine. 10:15, that is also maximum my patience zone. So about that, I know Traders, right? So it's a sideways market. It's a foolishness to trade in markets, that situation of markets. Specifically, option traders, I'm telling you, tightly keep your stop losses because they are not moving, they're melting. Options are melting. Both sides, puts and calls, both sides are melting. So, matlab kya hai? So, there's no meaning in it. Time is ticking up. Time is ticking up. Oh, they can do in one candle also. I don't mind. Ah, they hit a stop loss. I don't mind. So trailing stop loss is good. Let's keep rest of the volumes to cost. I think so. Yeah, that would be doing great. I think so. Or cost of 10 points or 20 points. Even in futures, I'm telling you. Options traders, obviously, you know that you won't take a risk because you're paying less money. So the risk is little there, 10 or 20 points. The risk is there. So keep in mind and trade. Futures, I'm telling you, keep your stop loss on trade and will not mess it up. Yeah. So what is your affordability? You can keep the stop loss. Yeah. Don't exceed your stop loss. That is one suggestion. Yeah. Yeah. 36,000, sorry, 32,000, 580 the cost, no? Cost to cost also we can keep. That's not an issue. Yeah. That's not an issue at all. Seriously, that's not an issue. Yeah. That is a good one, actually. Wanted guys. Wanted. They want more. Yeah, why not? I'm expecting a bullish day completely. What's wrong in that? According to TTR, it's completely a reversal day, completely. 100%. So I don't change my view. 710 plus plus. Now I'm getting some smiles. Everybody's getting some smiles because holding 45 minutes we are trading. Oh my God. So laggard trade on futures specifically. Not on options. Option trading was very fast. But future trading is so sluggish. Oh my God. 32,735 plus plus 740 plus plus 745 plus plus 750 guys. Let me book my next profits. Yeah. One is 2x 775 780. Wow, 785. They're gonna buy. Yeah, they bought it. Yeah, 1 is to 2x done. So rest of the volumes, whatever you're holding, cost plus at least 50 points, you should trail your stop loss using your common sense. And the whole day trade will continue. Same trend. There is no change in the game. Wow. Wow. 32,500 calls has given you almost near to, I think, very good money. 737, 740. Oh my God. Let me book that also. Now, I forgot it. So let me book our profits. So don't go against the markets. So if you booked 1 is to 2x, wow, great. So now trail your stop loss, whatever you want, cost plus 50 points, 100 points. What do you want? Decide it. So consistency is very important. My job is done here. So now it's completely, it's your targets. Exactly, I'm telling you that. So even 200 points more, they can travel if they break these areas. I think so. But it is going to be like some such rejection points. 32,800 plus plus. 32,840 plus plus. 858, 860, 870, 1 is to 3x almost we are in. I told you 100 points the calls are going to reach. Do you remember? It's live recording, guys. Nothing to change. People who have patience are winning up today. So 32,500 calls as given. 100 points. Easy money. 130 points actually. So we'll take it as 100 points. Set the time 10 o'clock, 6 minutes. It's trading. 800 plus plus. 830 plus plus. 900. 32,900 in futures. Now tell me, guys, what's the power of TTR? What's the power of time zone? Can anybody in the world told you that next 30 minutes at 9:45 market is going to shift, and before 10:15 they want to make a green candle or they want to reverse it completely? A complete beautiful upside. See, intraday, if you see, it's going to be like you saw a doji candle or something in 30 minutes. I don't know, but I'll tell you what is the topic because yesterday's closing, according to yesterday's closing, where we closed, it's closed with red. So it is also a red candle only. Only if it closes above this, it's a green candle, considerably. So you don't understand completely if I say it now. So if you learn only, if you understand that point, beautiful money, beautiful money. 32,500 calls. Option traders, for your patience, Jai Ho. Game on. What a trade, guys. What a trade. Almost we are in like 300 points. One is 3x gains, plus gains actually. And now futures. I think I want to mess it up here. I want to be very consistent here, very cautious here. One is to 4x. I'm getting over here. So book one more slab if you're holding much or trail your stop loss. Good. So you can trail your stop loss over here if you want, or you can book your profits, get out of the trades. So that is my personal suggestions. Option traders, don't do any stupidity today. Okay. So don't mess it up. Beautiful money. Trail your stop loss. Trail your stop loss. I'm telling you, holding even 10% also. Book load everything, fine. If you're holding a 10% also, I'm telling you, you're going to get good money. So trail your stop loss maximum over here. So for 918 targets. Next targets, the targets are already, it's on the game. So trail your stop loss maximum. I'm telling you, trail your stop loss maximum here. So it may go to 918. So trail your stop loss to 780 now. So maximum trail your stop loss. So if you are holding maximum trail your stop loss, don't give any money. Premium is very high accordingly. The valuation is 300, so 500 rupees extra premium. So they are not melting all the premiums. So don't give any money to markets. So they can retrace and go back. Yeah. Yeah, already I told you, right? They can retrace and go back. So I told you the stop loss will be in this areas. So trail your stop loss over here and futures also. Future trading is different, guys. We are in big profits, like 300 points hard profits, not in options. So trailing stop loss is important. Trailing stop loss is safe. Why live trading is important is you learn something, you trade with, it's like it's like alchemy. So you don't understand what to do in this sideways situation, but this is the way how to trade with analyst. So this is the difference between a pro analyst and a just a retail trader. So the direction should is always pre-decided by operators. So only the market pros can make it. So I hope and I believe you are lucky over here to be over here. So how many of you booked your profits? Okay, let this trade complete. So 10:30 I'll speak to you. Till 10:30 we'll just hold on the trades. So TSL is safe in options. So not hit. Futures trail your stop losses. So some rejection area it is. So trailing stop loss maximum over here. So we'll take a trailing stop loss maximum over here. So we'll trail a stop loss over here. So we'll not take anything more because morning profit is very important for me. So trail a stop loss over here. Don't forget to trail a stop loss. So 837 plus plus 840 plus plus 847 and futures also 32,955. So 33,000 ranges will book out, guys. Very good. Options premiums are melting, so keep in mind and trade. So even if you want, you can book your profits and futures also. There is no issue with that. So I'm completely open for it. So trail your stop loss. If your target is done for the day, just close your terminal. But trail your stop loss maximum and trade. So don't give any money to markets now. Yeah, if you missed out patience, nothing is there. Patience is the key. That's it. Patience is the only thing. See, every time if you start texting, sir, market is not moving, shall I exit? Shall I exit? Shall I exit? I don't even it's negative approach for me. That's the thing. Most of the times I just muted down all your text. Yeah. So great guys. Not bad. 30,968. It has made a high. Little few points less. I know human mentality and mindset. So the trailing stop loss, I'll tell you, if you trail your stop loss too much, it will be like 200 points like that. So it's like 150 points odd. So trailing stop loss 150 points. I don't think it's what do you say? It will be complete day sitting in the markets. So I don't want to sit in the markets for whole day. You will lose your temper. You will lose your cool, and 90% of times you'll make losses. So I don't want to make you there. I want to put you there. Yeah, let them come down. So so don't lose your cool. So please, your good buddy. So trade with cautious. So very clearly have told. So if you're trailing a stop loss, okay, 100 points trailing stop loss, okay. Again, 200 points downside, it's going to be 250 points. It's a nonsense trade. No, I'm not interested in such type of trades. No way I'm interested. So trailing stop loss is not hit 100%. It's in front of you. It's a live trade. So no game change or gambling or anything over here. So Book your profits now, I think so. It's already 10:30. So whole day I'm expecting upside in the markets. So it depends now. Completely depends. And options also are safe. No stop loss has hit till now. So, but still, I'm telling you, book your more volumes here. So hold less volumes and trail your stop loss and run. So that is my personal suggestions. Okay. Yeah, including futures also. So don't go against anything. So almost I'm done for the day, guys. So I think I should not take any more extra risk over here. So few points left. I don't think they're gonna hit my stop loss or not. I don't know. So 850, I have kept a stop loss. If they hit the stop loss, I am only holding like 10, 13%, 10 to 15% volumes. That's it. So if trailing stop loss, I don't mind at all. But if they rise up, I'll be looking for today. Yeah, why not? Even 33,500. If 33,100 breaks, definitely I'm going to look for upside. Yeah, here. Yeah, here. Till here. Let them break. So that's my point. I kept my trailing stop loss. If the trailing stop loss hit, I won't trade at all. So that is one conviction I have taken. You can see the low also. 32,864. So 50 is a stop loss. Let them hit if they want. I don't mind. I don't bother at all. They'll go up. This is the very important time. So if they go up from here, well and good. If you want to take extra risk, trail it to 700. Who told don't want? Or trail it to 800. Example, I'm telling you. If you want whatever you want to take, it's about your risk. In your profits, you're taking a trailing stop loss. It's not bad, I'll tell you. If you're a full-time trader, complete day, sir, I don't have any job. I have patience, I have discipline. I can sit for whole day. You can sit with the same trade. No change in the trade. No fresh trades. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, oh, great. So how many of you booked your profits? Please tell me now, fast. Tell me in the comment box, Q&A box. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. I'm just counting. Lot of people. Lot of people. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So many profit booking. Okay. The holding two lots in calls. Wow. 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 Great, sir. Great. Extraordinary. So I have told you repeatedly, trailing stop loss is going to make big money, and very big money. I want to check it out. My stop loss has hit or not. Give me a sec. Just checking it out. No guys, no guys. Why my stop loss is not taking it out? See my nasib today. 32,850 kept the stop loss. 32,854.55 is the low. And it's again back to 32,890 back to. So what should I do with this trade? I think I should square off, or I just want to trail my stop loss very big. That's going to be the point. So 780, I want to trail my stop loss now. That's going to be hurting point. Today, no software. I can share my all the profit like on live sessions. I can share you with now. So what has happened? I'll share you. No datas except Nifty as a bullish mode. Except Nifty, nothing is there. So pre-market itself, I told you what is situation in the markets. So Nifty was very good, but more than Nifty, Bank Nifty gave us good points. To be honest, yeah. So this is very important area. So they may come down and then go up. I'm done for the day, guys. I'm done. There is no delta or datas in the Bank Nifty, just 56,000. Very thin buyers and sellers in the markets. Very thin buyers and sellers in the markets. So let me see. So rest of the day, I'm going to see this what's going to happen. So please, everybody, okay, who have not replied or anybody who has not told what's the deal and what you did today. So tomorrow only who has replied today or shared a profit screenshots or replied and be active. I'll be sharing them tomorrow live trading link. Yeah, great. So if you want to join live trading community, so live trading club, so you can join on the weekly fee basis. So you can text me on WhatsApp at, so it's my WhatsApp number. So you can share what you did today. So also, if you want to join live trading sessions, you can DM me in my WhatsApp number. So 10:30 we'll close the systems. So it's a hashtag. Let them do. Let them do. I'm out. So don't worry. Always positional trades. We'll keep some buffer volumes. Don't worry. Yeah. Yeah. So squaring off in futures option, I took that 50 points risk again. That's it. That's it. Yeah, futures I wanted to hit. Yeah, exactly. Sir. No, so they will go back. See, they will go back. See, today they want to make a green day, sir. So that is there on the card. So completely they want to close about 33,000 only today at any cost. So there is less option for them to do anything against it. So if they don't close above anything over here, so it will be a disaster for operators. So not for us. It will be disaster for operators because they know what's going to happen. Even I know very well what's going to happen next. So let's see. I'm going to update everything. So I'm going to get back on this. So stay tuned in Telegram. Share your profit screenshot to my WhatsApp number. So take care. So 5 more minutes more. Any questions? Punch out over here in the Q&A box. 14,600. So book the profit of 18,600. So hold on a lot. Stop loss as you told is a big deal. Okay. Sir, I'll speak to you later, sir, on WhatsApp. Please DM me in my WhatsApp. So that's why I told you, sir. It's very big. So ranges are too heavy and big. So, but you should have that patience, right? If we have that patience, well and good. You can set even for 900 to 1,100 ranges on options. Yeah, 32,500 parts. You don't have that patience, sir, I can't help you out in that specifically because patience I can't buy you. You can't buy patience. Patience should be itself learned, right? 32,975 high in futures. It can reach more. So 33,000 breakout is required. So only if above 33,000 50 to 70 ranges, then only we can see above next 300 to 400 points. So nothing to worry much. So 863 high. If anybody has holded options, based on that, please take care about your trades. Don't be greedy. So plan your positions well. So futures, I know trailing stop loss it's well. So options, if you're taking the risk, then it's well and good. That's not an issue. 780, I has to take a trailing stop loss. So 785 is the low. So stop loss has not hit. 2,999 high. The options are not moving as premiums wants to melt. Let's see. So please take care about these positions, current positions. So don't over trade. That is my piece of suggestion to everyone. So great guys. Have a great day. Have a great time. So see you tomorrow. It's going to be like 10:30. So it was like little boring in the beginning, but I think that option trading gave some spike, couple of trades, 32,500. We didn't change the strikes specifically and particularly. And again, I repeatedly told you, what about 32,500 puts? Because why I told you to square off 1:1 and all, because I was not at all interested in puts today. Uh, yeah, it's based on different strategies. So hope everybody understood, made a profitable trading day. So understood consistently what's going to be the game. So someone would be against the market. Some few people left in the mid of session regarding, because everybody wanted to short and they want to see 30,000, 31,000 ranges now. It went against them. So they get frustrated. People will be peeping inside. I know very well. So I'm not worried about anyone. I'm just here for people who want to be consistently making profits and go ahead. What is the fee for weekly? Sir, it's 2499 for this week. Yeah, the 2499. Currently, it will increase. It will keep on increasing. So it will not exit much. Once we have a consistent members, definitely we are going to reduce the fee. So till then, we expect the supports. I'm not asking you for like charges like 40,000 or 50,000 per month. So it's affordable. It's very affordable, way very affordable than any traders, because it's live session. So no gambling after, okay, if they get stop loss, high jackpot, that, this and all. It doesn't seem that. Very practical, very technical people can work here. Yeah, yeah. No issue, sir. Great. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day ahead. Jahin. Bye-bye. 10:30 hashtag. Don't forget. Just like and subscribe our Instagram channel and also YouTube and Telegram. Be there. Jahin. Take care.